Don't you know the rules of the road? That's a fatal mistake. Hi, I'm Vasya, your driving instructor. Join us and learn to drive safely, confidently, and without fines. On this channel, we regularly analyze real traffic situations, tricky road rules, and driving test questions that confuse even experienced drivers. Today, we're going to practice a task about right-of-way and priority on the road. This is not an easy task, and only a small percentage of our viewers answer it correctly on the first attempt. The situation may look simple, but there is an important detail that many drivers miss. Let's find out whether you can spot it. Here's the challenge. You see 3 vehicles on the road. Who should the yellow car yield to? Choose one of the following answers. Number 1, the bus only. Number 2, the truck only. Number 3, both the bus and the truck. Number 4, nobody. Take a careful look at the diagram before making your decision. Many drivers immediately focus on the intersection and forget about the obstacle on the roadway. Others pay attention only to the truck and completely ignore the approaching bus. Will you make the same mistake? Pause the video now and write your answer in the comments. Don't skip ahead to the explanation. Try solving it on your own first. I'm setting the timer. You have 10 seconds. Time is up. I hope you've had enough time to make your choice, because now we're moving on to the detailed explanation. Let's analyze the situation. In the picture, we can see 3 vehicles. A yellow passenger car is traveling along the main road. Ahead of the yellow car, road work is being performed, creating an obstacle in its lane. A truck is approaching from the opposite direction. At the same time, a bus is approaching from a side road and intends to turn right. At first glance, the situation appears complicated because all 3 vehicles may potentially cross paths. To solve this task correctly, we need to study every detail shown in the picture. Let's focus on the most important part of the task. The yellow car encounters an obstacle in its lane. To continue driving, the driver must move around the obstruction. However, bypassing the obstacle requires entering the lane normally used by oncoming traffic. And that's where the key rule comes into play. According to traffic regulations, before moving into an oncoming lane to avoid an obstacle, a driver must make sure the lane is clear and safe. The yellow car cannot simply drive around the obstacle whenever it wants. It must first allow any oncoming traffic to pass. In our situation, the truck is already approaching in that lane. Therefore, the yellow car must yield to the minibus before driving around the obstacle. Now, let's consider the bus. Many viewers choose the bus as the correct answer, but let's examine the situation carefully. The bus is approaching from a side road at a T intersection. The bus has a yield sign. This means the bus must give way to traffic traveling on the main road before entering the intersection. Whether the bus turns right or left, it is required to yield to vehicles already moving on the main road. Because of this, the yellow car does not have to yield to the bus. Instead, the bus must wait until traffic on the main road has passed. So, what is the final answer? The yellow car must yield only to the oncoming truck before going around the obstacle. The bus is required to yield to traffic on the main road. Therefore, the correct answer is number 1, the bus only. Congratulations if you selected answer number 1. You paid attention to the road signs, the obstacle, and the traffic situation instead of rushing to a conclusion. If you answered incorrectly, don't worry. These exercises are designed to help you recognize important details and become a safer driver. Tell me in the comments, did you notice the yield sign for the truck before the explanation? I'm Vasya, your driving instructor. Subscribe to the channel for more driving challenges, road rule quizzes, and real-world traffic situations. Drive safely, respect other road users, and I'll see you in the next lesson.